So let's start with the illustration 2, page number 48 from the textbook. Now over your first, let's read the question and identify which account will go where. So the following is the trial balance as on 31/3/2017 of Joy and Vijay. Prepare revised trading account, profit and loss account, current account and balance sheet with consideration of necessary adjustments. Now let's go through all the adjustments. Now capital account is there and current account is there. It means this is a fixed capital account. So directly we will take it to liabilities unless liabilities side, okay? Unless there is some adjustment in this. Okay, if no adjustment, we transfer. If there is adjustment, we take, and we will have to make an account as well. Just like adjustment, like additional capital was bought by the partner. ऐसा कुछ हुआ, so we have to make a capital account also. Otherwise, it's not required. Directly we'll transfer it to balance sheet, liability side. Current account will go to current account. Now here we have closing stock in trial balance. It means what? It means the adjustment of closing stock is already done. So over here trading account is already given. So effect of closing stock in trading account is already being done. Now this closing stock will go to balance sheet asset. Trading account. Now trading account, we have to see which balance, credit balance. So it is our gross profit. Right over there, gross profit. Now cash on hand, asset, current account with bank, asset, fixed deposit with bank, asset, debtor, asset, salary, profit and loss, freehold land, asset, machines, asset, furniture and fixture, asset, factory on lease. Now we have factory on lease and lease will be ended on 31st March 2021. So we have a hidden adjustment. So take this, I write H over here. Loan of partner Vijay. Now partner ने firm को loan दिया है तो firm has to pay 6% interest on loan if no information is given. Let's check, is there any information given for it? No information is given for it. So here we have to do this adjustment. Again, it's a hidden adjustment. Interest on loan 1/10/2016 at the rate 6%. Discount reserve on debtors. Now over here discount reserve on debtors is given. Normally this is as per trial balance, so it will be deducted from our working of discount whenever we do. So discount allowed plus discount reserve as per adjustment minus discount reserve as per trial balance. I keep this pending right now because we have to see the adjustment and see whether there is any adjustment regarding it or not. Then bad debt reserve, again you write in the bracket P. We see this later on. Insurance premium, profit and loss, printing stationery, profit and loss, creditor, supplier, liability, bad debt, again as per trial balance. So we have bad debt, so this will also go to profit and loss. This will also go to profit and loss, but this will be deducted. So minus from profit and loss. Advertisement expense, profit and loss, traveling expense, profit and loss. Check whether your trial balance is tallying or not. Okay. Now adjustment, prepaid insurance is of rupees 200. So prepaid insurance, so take insurance. Jai withdrawn goods of 2000 from business for his personal use. Now goods are withdrawn from the business, so over here we are already given a balance of trading account. So what we do is one effect will go to trading account. Now already a trading account was prepared. So we will prepare a revised trading account. Okay. So one effect will go to it, and second we will adjust it in drawings. Okay. One effect, that is deduction from purchase. Okay. So if there is purchase, we'll deduct from it. If there is no adjustment for purchase, we will record it on the credit side. Okay. Buy goods withdrawn. We'll see it when we go to the adjustment. Goods of 4,000 purchase on credit 28/3/2017, which is not recorded in books. So we have to record it. So again, now we have unrecorded purchase, and its second effect will go to creditors. So tick creditors. Write off 400 as bad debt and 5% bad debt reserve. So we will make the format debtors. Tick debtors. Then there is no need of discount reserve on debtors. There is no need of discount reserve on debtors, so it will be transferred to profit and loss account on the credit side. Now I'll explain when we go to this transaction. Then provide 20% debt on plant and machine, 5% on furniture and fitting. Now there is a note given, credit balance of trading account is given in trial balance to incorporate the effect of adjustment and to ascertain revised gross profit. Revised trading account will be prepared. Now plant and machine tick कर दो, और टिक क्या करना है, furniture and fittings, tick both. So now format what we have to make is revised trading account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation. Here if we don't make P&L appropriation, it would be fine, because here we don't have much we don't have any adjustment of profit and loss appropriation. So in the textbook, in profit and loss account itself, the adjustment for profit and loss is done. Now you can either follow it, or you can follow our format where we transfer the profit or loss to P&L app, and there we do the distribution. Okay, so you can do as you are comfortable. Now you prepare partner's current account and you prepare balance sheet. Okay. Now, as you have already prepared the format, because it was illustration and you were knowing this was to be done, let's go to the sum directly now. Now, what is the profit sharing ratio? Is it given? Is profit sharing ratio given? If it is not given, then what will be the profit sharing ratio? It will be
1:1.
It will be equal, 1:1. Okay. So let's start now. Capital account, we have no adjustment, so directly it will go to balance sheet. Liability side, that is under the heading capital, 80,000 and 60,000. So we have Jai. And we have Vijay. Do the total, 1,40,000. Okay. Next, current account. Now current account, be careful, because Jai जो है, Jai, उसका बैलेंस जो है वो क्रेडिट है, तो ये चला जाएगा ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड, एंड विजय का बैलेंस है डेबिट, तो ये जाएगा ऑन द डेबिट साइड इन करंट अकाउंट. सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. Credit 20,000, so go to partners current account, by balance, bought forward. And Vijay debit 5,000 to balance bought forward. Okay, next, closing stock. Directly it will go to balance sheet asset side, 27,300. So balance sheet current assets. So I'm writing somewhere over here. Closing stock 27,300. Closing stock in trial balance means either trading account ka balance will be given or adjusted purchase would be given. Okay. It means you have to give only one effect, that is balance sheet asset. Now trading account, we have already gross profit 30,900. So trading account, you give the name to trading account as revised trading account. So by balance bought forward, or you can also write by trading account 30,900. Cash on hand 280. Balance sheet asset, cash on hand 250, 280. Current account with the bank 7,000, again balance sheet asset. Then fixed deposit with bank is our investment. Fixed deposit with bank 40,000. Balance sheet asset, okay. Next, debtors. Now 18,400 debtors, inner column minus bad debt as per adjustment minus bad debt reserve as per adjustment. Please make the format. Salary 18,500 profit and loss account. We always have to take care to keep first two lines blank. Okay, because we don't know whether we here know, okay, it is gross profit. Okay, now after adjustment also we know amounts are small, it's going to be gross profit, but always have a habit of leaving two lines blank. Okay, you can use it at the later part of the sum in case if the format you are not able to properly adjust some effects over here. So to salary 18,500. Freehold land 60,000. Freehold land 60,000. Balance sheet asset. Machines 20,000, inner column. Furniture and fixtures 5,000. Inner column, asset. Factory on lease. Lease will be ended on 31st March 2021. So factory है और lease पे है तो factory related any expenses will go to trading account because over here in our syllabus we are not having manufacturing account. So anything related to manufacturing will go to trading account. Now let's write factory on lease first, 30,000. Now, lease date. Let's do some working. Working note 1. Lease date is, it is ending on 31st. Let me write lease end date. Lease end date. So lease will end on 31st March 2021. Our balance sheet date. 31/3/2017. So we will have to find out कि ये लीज कितने साल का है. Okay, so 17. So 18, 19, 20, 21. 18, 18, 17. Balance sheet date is 17. So we have to consider this full year as 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 1920 and 2021. I'll write and show it to you. Okay, our balance sheet date is 31/3/2017. Here it is assumed that lease was taken on 1st 1/4/2016. So इसका year end आएगा 1/4/2000 से लेके 31/3/2017. There's some error, hold on. Then, so this is the year where we have used the building. Now we have to go to 1/4/2017. (31/3/2018). Then next year 1/4/2018 to 31/3/2019. 1/4/2019 to 31/3/2020 and 1/4/2020 to 31/3/2021. So we started from 1/4/2016. It ended on 31/3/2021. So year 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 years का लीज है. So 5 year का 30,000. तो 1 year का कितना? We have used for 1 year. So lease, factory lease is for 5 years. So 1/5 we have to write off. That comes to 6,000. Outer column 30,000 minus 6,000, 24,000. All of you understood this? All of you understood the working? तुम डायरेक्टली मत करना मैन्युअली, ओके? गलती हो जाएगा, तुम लिख के करना. Now the question over here is from when to start the lease. Now here no information is given when the lease started. So we assume that it started on 1/4/2016. So 16, 17 पूरे साल हमने यूज किया 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20 एंड 20, 21. सो 5 साल का लीज है, तो 5 साल का 30,000, तो 1 ईयर का कितना? अंडरस्टूड दिस? ओके, सो गिव द सेकेंड इफेक्ट. Now second effect will go to trading account, revised trading account, because over here we are not making a manufacturing account. It is not in our syllabus. It is regarding factory. तो factory related कोई भी expense है तो वो trading account में record होगा. So we write over here to factory lease written off. Normally in regular trading account, the first item is always opening stock. But here we are making a revised trading account. So order doesn't matter much, 6,000. Understood this? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, should I proceed? Okay, now next one, loan of partner Vijay. So loan of partner liability side 30,000. Inner column, or you want, you can write on the in the outer column as well. Let me check what is done in the textbook. Okay, separately done. So we write in the outer column. Okay, 30,000. Now we write the date over here, so it will help us in calculation of interest. Loan was taken on 1/10/2016. Now, because it's a hidden adjustment, let's calculate interest on this. So interest on loan, profit and loss account, debit side. We do the working over here. So loan amount is 30,000 into 6% into how many months? 110. So pura October, November, December, January, February and March. So 6 months. So into 6 divide by 12. So how much the amount comes to? 900. We give the second effect. Outstanding interest on partner loan. Amount is 900. Okay, let's proceed. Discount reserve on debtor. Now profit and loss account credit side, because it is no longer required. So whenever we create a reserve, entries profit and loss account debit to reserve account credit. Whenever we don't need it, we reverse it. तो अब reserve account debit हो जाएगा and profit and loss account हो जाएगा credit. Okay. So by discount reserve on debtors 380. Again, first two lines always blank. $380. Next, bad debt reserve as per trial balance. So we make our format now. Two bad debts as per trial balance plus bad debts as per adjustment plus bad debts reserve as per adjustment minus, you can write minus immediately or do the total and then write minus bad debt reserve as per trial balance. पूरा इन तीनों का टोटल करके फिर इसको सब्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो या साथ में भी लिख सकते हो, अप टू यू. Bad debt as per adjustment is later on. Bad debt reserve as per trial balance is 1000. So we write 1000 only. Insurance premium 1000 inner column to insurance premium 1000 inner column. Printing and stationery 600 to profit and loss account में है सब. Stationery 600. And creditors inner column 12,000. Balance sheet liability side. We have unrecorded purchase over here. Later on, bad debt as per trial balance we already have 200. We have made the format. Advertisement expense 600 to advertisement expense 600. Traveling expense 400. Profit and loss to traveling expense 400. Now let's check everything over here is done or not. Before we proceed for adjustments, just go through it, see if we have given two effects or not. After checking only you proceed to the next step. अगर यहाँ तक सबका हो गया है तो give a thumbs up so that I know and I can proceed. Okay, now we go to adjustments. Now adjustments are very simple over here, not much of tricky adjustments over here. Prepaid insurance 200. Anything you pay in advance is not your expense, it is your asset because advance में दिया है तो जब तक services नहीं मिला है I have a right to recover that money. So prepaid insurance we deduct from insurance minus prepaid insurance 200 outer column. Prepaid insurance 1000 minus 200 will be 800. Now let me highlight this. Okay. Second effect, it's not our expense, it is our asset. So balance sheet asset side, prepaid insurance. $200. Let's proceed to the next one. Jai withdrew goods of. Jai has withdrawn goods of 2000 from business for his personal use. Goods of rupees for his personal use. Now Jai has withdrawn. goods of 2000 from his personal use. Now over here we have to deduct it from purchase, but we don't have actual purchase account because already trading account balance was given. But here we have unrecorded purchase. So we deduct this from unrecorded purchase. So let's do adjustment 3 first, then we go to the second one. Or what you can also do is you can record this on the credit side of trading account as buy goods withdraw. That can also be done, or buy purchases also you can write. That is also not wrong. But here we will follow the illustration in the textbook because it's a solved illustration. So now let's go to the third first. Goods of 4,000 purchase on credit is not recorded in the book. So unrecorded purchase, so we add to purchase and we add to our creditors. So trading account, revised trading account debit side to unrecorded purchase. Now we'll write this in the inner column because we have goods withdrawn, which we will adjust from here. It is unrecorded purchase. So 4,000 is unrecorded purchase. So second effect, creditors may we have to add plus unrecorded purchase. So unrecorded purchase is 4,000, 16,000. I'll underline it and highlight it. Now goods are withdrawn. Jai withdrew goods of 2000 from business for his personal use. So we deduct it now from unrecorded purchases. So minus goods withdrawn 2000, outer column 4000 minus 2000, 2000. We underline this. Second effect, current account debit side. Two drawings. 2000. Jai has withdrawn, so in the column of Jai. In the column of Jai. Next. Let me highlight this. Okay. Next one. Write off 400 as bad debt and provide 5% bad debt reserve. So 400 as bad debt. So subtracted 18,400 minus 400 is 18,000 and 5% bad debt reserve. So calculate 5%, which is 900. Outer column 17,100. Highlight this. Second effect, profit and loss account, bad debt as per adjustment is 400, bad debt reserve as per adjustment is 900. We can do the total over here, inner column. Okay. 900 plus 400 plus 200, 1500. And 1000 already is there as per trial balance. So outer column 500. market. So bad debt reserve adjustment, just go through it. Over here, debtors may say 400 minus किया 18,000 का 5% is 900. And over here we give the second effect of as per adjustment, bad debt as per adjustment, and bad debt reserve as per adjustment. And then the total of these three. And we subtracted bad debt reserve as per trial balance. 500 is the additional reserve what we have made. Now, there is no need of discount reserve on debtor. We have already done. Provide 20% depreciation on plant and machine and 5% on furniture and fittings. So 20% depreciation on plant and machine. So 20% is 4,000. So it comes to 16,000. We give the second effect of this first before we forget. Profit and loss account debit side to depreciation on machine. 4,000. 4,000. And 5% on furniture and fittings. So furniture and fitting 5%. So 10% is 500, 5% is 250. $4,750. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side to depreciation on furniture. $250. Now let's check if everything is done. Okay, all the effects are given properly of all the adjustments. Okay, go through it once before you start closing. Insurance. या कल्पित क्या हुआ? Prepaid insurance 200 given. Then Jai withdrew goods of 2,000 from business for his personal use. Kalpit. Now, okay. Now, second adjustment we'll do later. Third adjustment is what we did. Goods of 4,000 purchase on credit, which is not recorded. So unrecorded purchase 4,000. You add to creditors 4,000. Check कर लेना ये सब भी 12 and 4 16. Okay. Then Jai withdrew goods of 2,000 from business. So 2,000 from unrecorded purchase is deducted. And second effect, creditors. Sorry, second effect, partners current account debit side 2,000. Check if this column is proper or not. Jai में 2,000 चला गया कि नहीं. Then write off 400 as bad debt and provide 5% bad debt reserve. So you go to balance sheet, debtors 400, 18,000, 9% or 5%, so 900, 17,100. Second effects 400, 900. Just finalize this. 1,500 minus 1,000 was already there, so 500. Correct. Then no need for discount reserve on creditor. We have already done it over here. Then provide 20% debt on plant and machine and 5% on furniture and fitting. 20% and 5%. 4,250. Yes, 4,250. So all done. Start closing it, please. Over your credit side is more, 30,900. Same we write over here. Now over here we have revised gross profit, which will be transferred to profit and loss account. So in the bracket you write revised gross profit is equal to 30,900 minus 6,000 minus 2,000. So 22,900 is the gross profit. We have to transfer this. We transfer this to profit and loss account by revised trading account. In the bracket, revised gross profit. $22,900. Now let's see whether we are getting profit or loss. So let's check out which side is more. Debit side is 26,550 and credit side is 23,280. So debit side is more. So we have to do the total of debit side first. So let's do it. 26,550. Same we write on the credit side. And we find out the loss by profit and loss appropriation account. Net loss. Now, if you have not prepared P&L appropriation, you can do it over here because it's a textbook question and in the illustration it is already done over here. But I would prefer transferring it to profit and loss appropriation. So over here, let's transfer, which is equal to 26,550 minus 22,900 minus 380. So 3,270. 3,270 is the loss. We transfer it to P&L appropriation account on the debit side to profit and loss account. $3,270. Now here we distribute the loss. So by net divisible loss, or let's write by partner's current account. In the bracket I write net divisible loss. Now who are the partners? Jai and Vijay, and this is to be equally divided between both of them. So 3,270 divided by 2, 1,635. 3,270. So here is the loss. Let's do the total. 270. 3,270. Underline it. Double underline. Okay. Now this net divisible loss will be transferring it to partner's current account, to profit and loss appropriation account 1635 1635. Now what we need to do is we balance one by one. So first let's balance Jai. Now Jai 20,000 on the credit side. So same we write over here 20,000. We find the difference is to balance carried forward 20,000 minus 2,000 minus 1635. 16365. Okay, correct. So let me highlight this. Now, same we transfer over your buy balance bought forward. Now over here, you can see this, see over here is that Joy credit side is more than debit side. Hence, this is our credit balance. Okay. So here we write it first over here in order to avoid confusion. Current account, Joy, outer column. So here we write the total 6635. Transfer it on the credit side. And we have nothing over here of Vijay. So directly balance. By balance, carried forward. 6635. Highlight this. Transfer it to balance bought forward 6635. Now this balance is a debit balance, okay, because debit side is more than the credit side. Now we transfer it to balance sheet asset. So current account in the bracket debit balance of Vijay. We write the amount 6635. As you can see, the balance sheet total, it is matching. So just go through the sum once again, see if you have any doubt in this. All of you have done this. Any doubt in this? Go through the adjustments, see if anything is to be explained to you. Anything is pending, सब कुछ हो गया है, सब बराबर है, मैच भी हो गया, बढ़िया. Now the sum what you have for homework, उसका वीडियो लेक्चर ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है ऐप में, तो वो सम तुम्हें लेक्चर देखते देखते करना है. ओके, द वे यू आर डूइंग इट राइट नाउ. और उसके बाद ये दोनों सम खुद फिर करना ऑन योर ओन, तो ही कंसेप्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे. ओके, सिर्फ सर ने करा दिया, सर को देखते देखते हमने भी लिख लिया. यू आर जस्ट राइटिंग राइट नाउ. You're just writing, you are listening, maybe you are understanding, maybe, but that is not learning. Learning will happen when you do it on your own. You make mistake, you understand where you have made mistake, then you rectify that. That is how learning happens. So final accounts में हो सके तो सब खुद करना. Okay, और एक बार लेक्चर देख लो, कंसेप्ट समझ लो, फिर खुद करो. Okay.